Welcome everybody and welcome back to Jumanji. Today we're going to practice balancing an equation, right? I went ahead and listed the atoms and the polyatomic ions. We're counting them as one. Here we have sodium that has 3, right? In the reactant product, we only have 1, right? You have your phosphate here, you have 1 because we're counting them as 1, right? You have 4 oxygen, but you have 1 phosphate group, right? And here we have 2. Right, we have a subscript here in parentheses saying the 2 applies to both of them, right? So this entire thing is 2. And we have magnesium, you have 1 here, you have 3 here by the subscript. Chlorine, you have 2, and you have 1, right? Let's start with the side that has the highest number of subscript, right? Which will be this complex right here. You have 3, 4, 2. Let's start with that one. Here we have a 2, right, on your phosphate. Here we have 1. We're going to start by making this one a 2. This coefficient 2 will then apply to this, this, and this. Now we have 2 phosphate group, right? And we have 2 over here. The magnesium has 3. Let's put a 3 here as well, right, to balance this one. Now let's go ahead and change and see what we have so far. We have now 2, right, phosphate, and we also have 2. That is balanced. Now we have magnesium here. We have 3, and we have 3. Your magnesium is now balanced. The sodium is now 6, right? Because 3 times 2 makes that 6. The sodium over here is still 1. This is not balanced. Now the next step, to make this sodium balanced, let's change that sodium to a 6. Right? Now we have a balanced sodium. We have 6 and we have 6. But now we also have 6 chlorine on your product side. And we have 3 times 2, 6 chlorine on your reactant side. Right? And we now have a balanced equation.